we do work with typical people, but we also and do some work with people from David's former community and domestic and foreign special operations who are interested in this process for obvious reasons. How can you leverage the nervous system, build better, longer-lasting warriors? It's a really interesting question. And you could do that with brain-machine interface. You could do that with, you can imagine doing that with drugs or with, supplementation or nutrition, all of that. But since the nervous system sits at the foundation of any of those, we started to think about this problem, and there's actually another element to it, which is the reward pathways involving it. So you asked about kids, like why they can learn all day long. So their brain is very different, but it still needs some degree of focus, and they still need to get their sleep. They still have to obey those two rules of this process. They engage in something else which is really powerful, which is play. A lot of their learning is through playful exchange, especially with the little kids, like in kindergarten and nursery school. And then as they get older, the social dynamics can be kind of harsh, but they can also be really pleasurable and fun.